guys, how's it going? Good to see you back. I'm glad that you're here. Welcome to day 2 of your online learning. So today we have some work to do. We're starting with our introduction. So if you had a chance to explore Blackboard yesterday, you would have seen the calendar and some guidelines for what you should be working on today. So I've got that right here. And so, okay. So here we are. Day 1, lesson 1, your introduction. So a lot of you have actually done this first part here, this introduction on Blackboard. So today you'll be working on your quotation analysis, where is the love paragraph, and this meme. And all of them are going to be posted on the discussion board. So this is what you should be working on today. And I guess if those go really quickly, you could bop over to tomorrow as well. So I'll just show you now where to find those things. So I'm just going to zip myself over here. So here we are, we're on our announcements. This is where we are starting. What you're going to want to do is go to your introduction. You had yesterday, you could have filled this survey out. Some of you might have gotten this, which is fine. If you weren't able to do that one, there's this part right here, okay? So once you finish that, you're going to go to your introductory lesson. Click that. This was your first activity, so you're going to say who you are on the discussion board, include your name, your hobbies and your pastimes, and your favorite breakfast food. Okay, discussion board is right here. So we've got this discussion board. Oh, look, looks like lots of you guys got in there. So we've got all of these. If you want to get to know some of your fellow classmates, you can get a chance to read through those, and you can make some posts to people as well and say hi to everyone, okay? So that's the first thing you're doing today. Scrolling. Okay, once you're done that, we can go to the next page. Okay, this tells us a little bit about what's going on in this unit. Okay, and then we have this quotation analysis. So again, you see our task sign. On the discussion board, you're going to pick 2 important quotes, tell me why they're important, and what you can learn from them. So those will go there. That's the second thing you're doing today. Okay, third thing, you're going to listen to this song. It's pretty old, but I think it is still very relevant for today. We've got the lyrics right here, okay, and then you have your task. Respond to the following on the discussion board. Now this is a paragraph response, okay? There's some stuff in your course materials up here on how to write a paragraph. There's also in the next couple slides some resources on how to write a paragraph, okay? So I just kind of want to skip that because you guys can go through how to write a paragraph. And then the next thing you're going to do is this. It's not really showing up on the screen very well, but it's down here. It says media and memes. So that's the last thing we're going to be working on today. Whoopity whoop. Okay, so you're going to share your favorite meme. Like, you know, I love memes, so I want you to make sure they're school appropriate, so not offensive language, swears bleeped out, no nudity, violence, that sort of situation. So I'd like you to think about what's your favorite meme and share it on the discussion board, because one of the things we're learning about in this course is how do we interact with the environment around us and how do we interact with technology. And so social media, memes, all of that is ways of communicating and ways of communicating using technology. So you're going to find your meme, put it on Blackboard, tell me why do you like it, what does it tell you about the world that you value, and what does this meme tell the world about what our communities value? Value are things that we find important. So again, that's here on our discussion board, your introductions here, your quotations analysis here, Black Eyed Peas here, and your favorite meme here. And that is the work that you have for today. If you want to work ahead, you can start on Unit 2. And this is where you'll find that. So we have lesson 1, 2, and 3. If you look back at the calendars, you'll see the due dates for all 3 of these assignments. So if you have any questions, just give me a shout on email and I will be able to help you out. So have a great day.